Hey Samantha, it's Devin again. Thanks for speaking to me on the phone earlier. In this quick video, I'm going to give you 3 simple tips you can easily implement on your website so you can start beating Lions Roofing. If you look up Roofing Phoenix AZ, these guys show up right at the top, and I'm going to show you how easy it is for you to beat them yourselves. Now you're probably asking why I would even make this video for you. I just found out a little while ago, so many roofers are so busy running their business, they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody is they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I just create these attack plans and give them away for free. Many people just take them and do it themselves. Some people call me back and have me do it for them. I don't care whatever you want to do. My only goal is to help you, educate you, maybe make you a lot of money. So I'm going to talk to you about 3 quick things today: content, backlinks, and citations. First off though, whoever did your website did a great job. I love this video. I love this drone footage. It's very hip right now inside of the roofing industry, and not a lot of people have it. So I'm glad you have that. And your website overall is just a really clean looking website. You've got some trust building with the images of the owners here. From all around, this is a beautiful looking website. Now, what Google mostly cares about when it comes to ranking your website is all of this content right here. And the average website on the front page of Google has 1,500 words of content. So if I go and I copy all this content, I paste in a word counter here, you can see you have 784 words. Lions Roofing, I don't think they have that much themselves. They have 999, so they're not at 1,500 either. So this is great news for you. By getting to 1,500 words, you're going to blow them out of the water, and it's going to give you more room to fit in keywords such as like Roofing Phoenix AZ. 200 people search that into Google every month. Imagine if you showed up first in front of all 200 people who were trying to purchase roofing in Phoenix, right? It'd be life-changing. And up here, you can see Roofing Phoenix, that's 450 people per month. Phoenix Roofing, 800 people per month. So quite a bit. You want to make sure you have these keywords inside of your content. And if I go and I search your content, you can see that Roofing Phoenix AZ, you don't have this keyword anywhere on your page. So just make sure you put that inside of your content. You can also save your images as keywords too. So instead of all these like numbers and letters, this could be called Roofing Phoenix AZ. That'll help you rank. So that's my first tip for you, Samantha. My next tip for you is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. This is important because Google's like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy, relevant websites vouching for your website. Not all backlinks are created equal though. Like I said, trustworthy and relevance is the name of the game. You're going to get a lot more power and better results if you have other like roofing and construction companies linking to you versus having like Pizza Hut linking to you. Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. You don't need to pay for this. If you Google backlink checker, you can see the same information. And it says you currently have no websites linking to you. So you have a clear canvas. This is a great place to start. There's no bad websites pointing to you. Now, Lions Roofing, these guys have 528 linking to them. You're probably asking, how do I even get started beating them? And it's easy. They did all the hard work for you. If these 528 websites are good enough to rank them, then they're going to be good enough to rank you too. So I would go one by one the same way they did and just copy all of these exact same backlinks. And a lot of times it's really simple. Like, for example, Angie, Expertise, Yellow Pages. On these websites, you just join their website for free, get listed, or create an account. You put a link in your profile back to your website, and that's simple. You've got a backlink. So it's pretty simple. It just takes some time. But if you beat them in content, plus you copy their backlinks, those 2 tips alone are enough to get you ranked number 1 organically. My last tip is how to show up in the map section. If you want to be number 1 here, you need to have more citations than your competitors. And a citation is when you list your name, your address, and your phone number into a directory, which is just a website that allows you to list your business's information, such as like, Yelp or GAF or Angie, right? If I were in your shoes, I'd figure out the directories that Phoenix Roofing was in. I'd list myself in the same ones and then add a bunch. So if I found Phoenix Roofers in like 150 directories, and I'd put myself in like 300. That's all I've got for you though, Samantha. I hope you found this informative and helpful. I tried to keep this as short and to the point as possible. As a quick recap, you want 1,500 words of content on your homepage with keywords in there like Roofing Phoenix AZ. You want to take the websites linking to Lions Roofing and get them linking back to yourself. And finally, put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than Phoenix Roofers. If you follow these 3 tips, this is how you become number 1 across the entire front page of Google and get all the free business growth that comes with being there. You're probably asking, what do I do now? You have 2 options. The first option is to do this yourself. If you have any questions about how to get it done, give me a call anytime. My phone number is 469-352-2524. Either way, doing it yourself is a great way to do it. Giving me a call, that's totally fine too. My only request is that if you found this video helpful, if you can give me some feedback. Either way though, it was great speaking to you on the phone earlier, Samantha. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you have an awesome week. I'll see you.